Going down.
This is the lift at
Please mind
Harvey
going
Centre.
down.
Harvey Centre Car Parking, Harlow. It used to be an older lift, possibly Express or Keithley. It's been modernised with Jackson, with Leicester controls.
Floor 1.
We're at 1, go back up to 3.
Doors open.
Capacity is 20 persons,
Going
1500 kilos.
Please mind the
Door
door.
close button does
Door
not work.
closing. Going up.
It's got Leicester controls. It's got a nice motor.
Floor 3.
We're at 3. This is the glass lift at Harvey Centre in Harlow. This used to be a Thyssen lift. It's been modernised with a Jackson with Leicester controls.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's got a nice floor.
Going up.
Capacity's 19 persons, 1600 kilos.
Floor 1.
We're at 1.
Doors open.
Lift at Linkway Car Park in Harlow.
Is going up.
We'll go up to 4. It's an old Otis, but it's had its buttons replaced. Capacity's 10 persons, 750 kilos.
Floor 4.
We're up 4. Go back down to G.
Doors opening.
Very dirty lift. Only one lift is working as well. Full of graffiti.
Ground floor.
We are at G. And that's it. This is the lift at Primark in Harlow. It's going to be a Old Ecodiscs. Door close button does work like that. Slow door. It's a Old Ecodiscs. Capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilos. Built in 2011. Back down to G. It's got Dewhurst. We are back at G. This is the lift at H&M in Harlow. It's going to be a Schindler 3300. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 13 persons, 1000 kilos. It's basic Schindler. and it's not in very good condition. A bit slow as well. Here we are back at G. Ooh.
Mind the doors, please.
This is the lift at Next in Harlow. It's a dodgy Oakland. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Very dodgy.
Lift going down. First floor. Mind the doors, please.
Used to be maintained by Techno, but they've gone bankrupt. Here we are back at G. Look. And that's it. This is the lifts at Asda in Harlow. We go up to 1. Door close button does work like that. Indicator doesn't work. Capacity is 26 persons, 2000 kilos. Built in 2003. It's a bit slow though, and not in good condition. Back down to G. I think basement's locked. No, it's not, but we'll end at G. We are back at G. And that's it. This is the lift at the Water Gardens in Harlow. We're down to G. It's a Cone original Ecodisc. Capacity is 13 persons, 1000 kilos, built in 2003. So it's going to be this door. It's an older Ecodisc. Oh. And there we are.